A view can be a simple straight query, or it can be a more complex joined query. The technique is the same. For this lesson, we'll be using the album database. And I want to start with a query that shows all the tracks for each album with the duration as minutes and seconds. And I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste this out of the exercise files here and grab it here starting at line 75. And I'll copy that and paste it into SID and press go. And so you see we have a simple joined query with artist, album, track number, minutes and seconds, like that. And there's the query, or we can look at it in the editor. And you can see it's a pretty straightforward joined query. We've covered all of this stuff already. Now, if I find this query very, very useful, I can save this as a view. So I can just say create view, call it joined album as, and there's my query. And then I can come down here and I can say select asterisk from joined album, like that. Press go. And there's my exact same result, but this time the query is saved as a view. And so I can just do this again and do this again, and I get exactly the same result without having to have all of that code in there every time. In fact, because this is a view and the view is a select statement, and a select statement can be used any way that you use a table, I can just say select from joined album where artist equals Jimi Hendrix and say go, and I get just the albums that are by the artist Jimi Hendrix. In fact, I can say select artist, album, track no, and I can do something like this. And by concatenating with separator the minutes and seconds padded to 2 places with a leading 0 if necessary, I can create the minutes and seconds as a duration, and so that it looks like minutes and seconds in normal time notation. There is a MySQL function for this. I believe it's called seconds to time, but it pads it out farther with hours, minutes, and seconds. And I don't really want that. I just want minutes and seconds. And this is a pretty simple way to do that. And now with my view, it makes it relatively easy. And in fact, I could even incorporate this in the view if I wanted to. So again, when you're done with a view, you can just say drop view and the name of the view. And it doesn't delete the underlying tables, it just deletes the view. And so any select statement can be saved as a view. Views are a fairly standard feature across all systems and platforms. MySQL conforms to the SQL standard syntax for creating and dropping views.